What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Can a car accident affect your credit score? The entire cost of fatalities, injuries, and property damage caused by automotive accidents in 2016 was projected to be $432.5 billion by the National Safety Council, NSC. As if getting harmed in a car accident wasn't horrible enough, the financial consequences may be far worse. You may not only miss work, and even a salary, but you may also be accountable for unforeseen medical expenditures. Your credit, like any other sort of debt, might suffer if it is not addressed immediately and effectively. Auto accidents do not affect your credit history or creditworthiness. Automobile accidents are not recorded to credit bureaus or reflected on your credit report in any way. Only the debt incurred as a result of motor accidents may put you in difficulties if you have both vehicle and health insurance, which necessitates sophisticated coordination of benefits. Your medical expenditures are not covered by your car or health insurance policies, leaving you solely liable for the debt if you do not establish acceptable payment arrangements. In any situation, your unpaid medical bills will be transferred to a collection agency in the worst-case scenario. If you have a vehicle and health insurance from separate providers, you'll need to coordinate with them to figure out which policy is responsible for the debt and what, if any, coverage the other policy offers. There is a risk of problems throughout the benefits coordination procedure if you fail to file your claim in a timely way. A delay like this might be used by insurance firms to technically, and legally, evade liability. Your insurance companies, one or both, deny responsibility for the claim. The claim procedure is being dragged out by one or both of your insurance carriers. In the claim/payment procedure, one or both of your insurance providers make clerical mistakes. In the worst-case situation, these issues result in neither of your insurance carriers paying your medical expenditures. While healthcare practitioners are aware that vehicle accident coverage is a lengthy procedure, there is no specific grace period during which you will be permitted to wait while your insurance companies work things out. Personal interaction with their billing department, on the other hand, may go a long way. Keep them informed about what's going on, and you may be able to buy yourself some time. Frequent communication throughout the process may assist ensure that you are not transferred to a collection agency without warning and that you are able to make required payment arrangements to maintain your good standing. If you have both vehicle and health insurance, do the following. Give your healthcare professionals all of the details about both insurances. File a claim with both your vehicle and health insurance providers as quickly as possible, being sure to receive a claim number from each. Give your healthcare providers both claim numbers as soon as you submitted a claim with both insurance carriers. Check in with your healthcare providers and insurance companies on a frequent basis, for as long as required, to see how the process is going, serving as a facilitator to ensure nothing falls between the gaps. Never give up a claim if you have insurance coverage. Keep at it and check in on them often. Keep your healthcare professionals informed at the same time, and try to postpone collection as much as possible. If you can't wait any longer and the claim hasn't been resolved, it's in your best credit interest to bite the bullet and establish a payment arrangement if it means avoiding being sent to a collection agency. Protect yourself and go get that money.